Euro needs pound New Zealand. Let's go into the daily. It looks as if they want to come below this into this down candle. Okay, it looks like they want to come below this low to this down candle. They've rejected this high. If we were to support price to go higher, we shouldn't be down here. Okay, if we are to support price to go higher, we shouldn't be down here. So this looks like equal low to me, and they want to run it down. If we close as we are today, that is good, because this down candle, even though it's within this huge one, I'll still use that as a breaker, because that one is huge. Okay, it's very big, so I use this one as the breaker, because we do have a low, a lower low, and a higher low. So that's essentially a swing low. So I'll use that candle, and it looks as if that's what price did. If you look here, price opened up and then jumped up into the closing price of this down candle there. Okay, and then rejected. So we could actually look for breakers to sell. So unfortunately they didn't run any high. It did run some highs on the lower time frame. On the 15 minutes, I think it did. Yeah, so right here, okay, you see this high and this low, and then we broke down. Price came back to another short-term high in here. So I'm basically a breaker trader, so I can see these trades on the lower time frame. So we have the short-term high, and then price breached it into the breaker. So the breaker is this whole wick and this down candle prior to the move up, and then we had another one in here, this one, run this high, break down again, then trades back inside this down candle, and then we break down. We also have another one in here, okay, taking out this short-term high, and then we're breaking down. So on the lower time frame, you could look at this level there, okay, as a potential area to send price back down again. Okay, we can look at that area to send price down again. On the higher time frame, it doesn't have any breakers on there. Okay, on the higher time frame, I don't see any breakers on there, but on the lower time frame, it does. So you could look for a continuation to the downside. You could target this level based on the hourly. You could target this level, and then you let the rest run for this equal low, that low and that low, okay, into the down candle on the daily. So you could look for potential continuation to the downside. I'll leave my stop up here, 61 pips for this. It's not bad. Sorry, that's the equal low. Right, with the first target here, second target there, and then leaving the rest to come down here. Right, if we break above this high, then your eyes comes right back up to yeah, your eyes comes back up to this up candle. Right, so if you break above this high, then your eyes comes right back here, but I don't think that's the case. I don't think that's the case, and if it does, then that's also another good area to consider sell. So if prices to get back up here, you could consider a sell as well. I don't know how price is gonna go up, so I'll leave it right here. So if prices to ever come back up here, you could look for a sell up there and look for some profit taking. All right, so that's what we have on euro pound